Barnyard Daycare.
Time to feed the barnyard babies. Let's help Mia and Milo get all the baby farm animals the food they need.
Hey, you! We're just about to go feed baby goat.
She needs to eat her goofy green guacamole so she can make us laugh and laugh. Come with us.
Oh, baby goat. Are you already being a little silly?
Ready for your goofy green guacamole? Then you can think of all kinds of ways to make us laugh.
Here you go. Oh, goodness gracious. The green color is gone.
Mia, Milo, and baby goat need your help to find the goofy guacamole's missing green color. Is this the color green? No, that's red. Let's try another one. What about this color? Is this green? Not quite. That's orange. We need to keep searching. What about this color? Genius, gang! You got it! You found the goofy guacamole's green color.
Baby goat is finally ready to be the silliest baby on the farm.
Now it's time to feed baby pig his confident yellow corn cobs so he feels brave enough to ride his skateboard.
Oh, look at this little sweetie. Hi, baby pig.
Are you gonna try riding your skateboard today?
Oh, you're too nervous? No way. You're our big, brave piggy. Yes, you are.
But maybe some confident yellow corn cobs would help.
This is a catastrophe. The corn cobs are colorless.
Not again.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby pig find the missing yellow color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color yellow? No, that's blue. We'll need to pick a different color. Here's another color. Is this yellow? No, that's orange. Let's try again. What about this color? Yippee! You did it! You found the confident corn cob's yellow color.
You can do it, baby pig.
You just have to be confident. Whee! Yay, baby pig!
We've got to get baby pony her prancing purple potato pie so she could dance like a ballerina.
Little baby pony, that was quite a tumble. Are you hurt?
You're just feeling a little frustrated, aren't you?
Oh, don't worry, baby pony.
We brought you a prancing purple potato pie so you can finally twirl and leap like a real ballerina. How perplexing! Where could the purple possibly be?
We need to help Mia, Milo, and baby pony find the missing purple color. Let's try this color first. Is this the right color? No, that's not purple. That's green. We need to pick again. What about this color? Is this purple? No, that's red. But what about this color? Perfect! That's it! You found the prancing potato pie's purple color.
Wow, baby pony, you're gonna be a real ballerina in no time.
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
Barnyard Daycare.
Feeding time! Come along and help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo get the baby farm animals the food they need.
Oh, hey there! We were just about to head over yonder to feed baby Pony.
She needs some peppy purple plums so she'll have the energy to race around on her roller skates. Come with us! Hey! Aw, sweet potato. Are you still sleepy?
We have just the thing to wake you up. Want some peppy purple plums? Oh, leaping lassos! The peppy plum's purple color is gone!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and baby Pony find the peppy plum's missing purple color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color purple? No, that color is green, not purple. What about this one? Is this the color purple? No, that's red. We're looking for purple. Let's try again. Is this the color purple? Great goose feathers, that's it! You found the peppy plum's purple color.
Whoa, does that taste good, baby Pony?
Now you're full of pep and ready to roll! Let's go!
It's time to feed baby pig his breezy blue freezy pop so he can get nice and cool on this hot, hot day. Oh, you poor baby. Someone's really feeling the heat, huh?
We've got something for that. One breezy blue freezy pop coming right up.
Golly gee chillikers! The freezy pop's blue color is gone!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby pig find the missing blue color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color blue? Not quite. That's orange. Let's try again. Is this the color blue? No, that's purple. Maybe we can try this color. Is this the color blue? Yippee! You got it! You found the Breezy Freezy Pop's blue color.
Baby pig is finally cooled off at last.
Now it's time to feed baby goat.
She needs her green garden guacamole so she can get her plants to grow. She's more focused than a bee in a flower field.
Someone's excited for her flowers to grow, and we have just the thing to help those beauties sprout. Your green garden guacamole. Oh, for hay's sake, the guacamole lost its green color.
Mia, Milo, and baby goat need your help to find the garden guacamole's missing green color. Is this the color green? No, that's yellow. Let's try another color. What about this color? Is this green? No, that's blue. Maybe it's this color? Yeehaw! That's it! You found the garden guacamole's missing green color.
Now that she has her green garden guacamole, baby goat can really make her garden grow.
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Y'all come back to the barnyard real soon.
Barnyard Daycare.
The baby farm animals are hungry. Let's help farmers Mia and Milo feed our baby animal friends.
Howdy, I'm Milo.
And I'm Mia. Time to feed baby pig his jammin' orange carrot cake so he can play a fantastic farm song. It's okay, itty bitty baby pig. Don't cry.
Is somebody hungry? Does somebody want his jam and orange carrot cake?
Zoe, patty cakes! The jam and orange carrot cake lost its orange color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color orange? No, that's purple. Here's another color. Is this orange? That's blue. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Well, bless my barn. You got it. You found the jam and carrot cake's orange color.
Now Baby Pig can play his fantastic farm song. Baby Pony needs to eat her blue striped sushi roll so she can do her new terrific tumble roll trick.
Oh, big stretch, Baby Pony. Are you ready to do your tumble roll?
Oh, that was a great try. Maybe this will help. We brought your favorite blue striped sushi roll. Oh, for Hay's sake, the sushi roll lost its blue color.
Don't worry, itty bitty baby. We can fix this.
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing blue color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color blue? No, that's not blue. That's yellow. We need to try again. Is this the color blue? That's not blue. That's red. But what about this one? Is this blue? Bingo! That's it! You found the sushi roll's blue color.
Now Baby Pony can do all sorts of rolls. We're on our way to feed our friend, Baby Goat.
Let's giddy up and goat! She needs to eat her rhythmic red salsa before she does her salsa dance. Oh, Baby Goat is so cute when she dances.
Hiya, you little itty bitty baby goat. Guess what? We brought you your favorite rhythmic red salsa with
Tortilla chips!
this red salsa will help you dance even better. Here you go.
Oh no! The rhythmic salsa's red color is gone!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the rhythmic salsa's red color. Is this the color red? No, that's blue. Let's keep trying. What about this one? Is this red? No, that's the color pink. We need to try again. What about this color? Yeehaw! That's it! You found the rhythmic salsa's red color.
Now you can salsa dance all day long.
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
Barnyard Daycare.
Welcome to Barnyard Daycare. You're just in time to help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed all our cute baby animal friends.
Hey there! We're on our way to feed the baby animals. us!
Baby Pig needs his soaring red strawberries before he rides his imaginary hoverboard. They'll help him fly super high.
Baby Pig, you little cutie. Are you pretending that you're soaring through the sky on your hoverboard?
Well, then we've got just the snack for you. Some sweet, soaring red strawberries.
Racing rodeos! The soaring red strawberries' red color is missing!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing red color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color red? No, that's green. We need to pick again. How about this one? Is this red? No, that's blue. But what about this color? Is this red? Hop in hay bales. That's it. You found the soaring strawberries' red color.
Now Baby Pig can fly through the sky on his hoverboard, just like he always dreamed.
Let's feed our friend Baby Pony!
We're gonna bring her frozen green farm apples. They're just what she needs to do her tractor-rific ice skating tricks. Hey there, Baby Pony.
It's a little too warm out to go ice skating, huh?
Not to worry, Baby Pony. These frozen green farm apples are so cold, you're gonna feel like you're skating on the North Pole.
Nay!
Oh, rooster feathers! The frozen farm apple's green color has disappeared!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's pink. We need to pick again. Does this look like the color green? No, that's purple. Let's try one more time. Is this the color green? Chirp and chickens, you got it. You found the frozen farm apple's green color.
Hooray! Now Baby Pony can finally practice her ice skating. Come on, let's go feed Baby Goat.
She needs her bubbling blue blueberries so she can make bubbles for a bubble party. Oh, Baby Goat, are you having trouble blowing bubbles?
Well, not to worry. We've brought some fresh picked, bubbling blue blueberries.
Oh, bless my barn. The bubbling blue blueberries have lost their blue color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the bubbling blueberries' blue color. Is this the color blue? No, that's orange. Let's try again. What about this color? Does this look like blue? No, that's red. How about we try a different color? Is this the color blue? Leaping lassos, you got it. You found the bubbling blueberries' blue color.
Finally! Baby Goat can have her bubble party!
You did it! You fed all the baby animals. Come back again soon.
Barnyard Daycare.
Time to feed the barnyard babies. Let's help Mia and Milo get all the baby farm animals the tasty treats they love to eat.
Well, hey there! We were just about to feed our barnyard buddy, Baby Goat.
Did you know Baby Goat is afraid of heights? It's true. That's why we're bringing her some brave brown biscuits to help her overcome her fears.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Baby Goat? Oh, Baby Goat, where are you?
Oh no, Baby Goat! Are you stuck in that tree, sweetie?
And you're so afraid of heights. Don't worry, Baby Goat. We've got just the thing to help. Brave brown biscuits. Well, bless my barn. The biscuit's brown color is gone.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the Brave Biscuit's brown color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color brown? No, that's blue. Let's try another one. What about this color? Is this brown? I don't think so. That's green. We need to pick again. What about this color? Hop in hay bales. That's brown. You found the Brave Biscuit's brown color.
Now Baby Goat has the courage she needs to climb down from that tree. You did it, Baby Goat! Who's the brave little goat? You are! Time to feed Baby Pig his purple power plum so he can swing super high on the swing.
Hey, Baby Pig, do you need a push?
It's okay if you need help, Baby Pig.
Don't cry, Baby Pig. We've got just the thing to help. Purple power plums.
They'll give you the power you need to pump your legs and move that swing.
Over in honeybees, the plums lost their purple color.
We can fix that, but we'll need help.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing purple color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color purple? No, that's green. Here's another color. Is this purple? No, that's the color red. We need to pick again. What about this color? Pow! You picked it! You found the Power Plum's purple color.
You're doing it, Baby Pig! You're pumping those legs like a pro!
Baby Pony needs her graceful green beans to help her be the best at balancing.
Don't get discouraged, Baby Pony. You just need to try again.
That was a really good try, Baby Pony, but it still seems like you need some help.
Which is why we brought you some graceful green beans.
Great golly gosh! These beans aren't green!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony re-greenify those beans. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's not green. That's red. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Is this green? That's not green. That's blue. It's true. But what about this color? That's it. You got it. You found the graceful green bean's missing green color.
Yay, Baby Pony! What a big, brave girl you are!
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new Barnyard Daycare videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.